everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow message sharing on Messenger. If you want to turn on message sharing in Messenger, you're basically allowing people in a chat to share messages with Meta AI or use features like autosave. So it's quick to enable. Here's exactly how to do it. So start by opening the Messenger app, then go to a specific conversation where you want to allow message sharing. At the top of the chat, tap the person's name or group name. So this opens the chat settings menu. Scroll down a bit until you see message permissions. So just below typing indicator, tap on message permissions. So inside you'll see allow message sharing. So if it's off, tap it to turn it on. It should turn blue when it's turned on. Now if it's already on, you're good and it's already enabled. Once this is turned on, people in the chat can share messages with Meta AI, and some content may be used to improve AI features. So only enable these conversations you trust. So this setting is per chat and not global. So if you want it enabled everywhere, you will need to repeat this for each conversation. So again, tap on the conversation, tap the person's name at the top, scroll down, and tap on message permissions, and toggle on allow message sharing. And that's it, super simple. In just a few taps, you've enabled message sharing on Messenger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check your other privacy settings too, so you stay in control of your chats. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.